guys, today we're going to be working on Oh My Darling Clementine. We're going to be working on the chords and then we will do the melody. It's a simple 2-chord song. Those chords are the C and the G. So, if you're not familiar with the C, you put your first finger on the second string first fret. You put your second finger on the 4th string second fret, and you put your third finger on the 5th string 3rd fret. And you do not play this E string. If you have to mute it with your thumb, you can, or just try to avoid it. The second chord we're going to do is the G7. So this is kind of easy to switch from the C to G7. Basically, we're going to take our first finger, we're going to move it back a fret to the 1st fret, and we're going to take our other 2 fingers and move them forward a fret each. So we have our first finger on the 1st string, 1st fret, we have our second finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and our third finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret. So we switch from C to G7. Those are the only 2 chords that you need to know for this. You'll see the tablature at the bottom. We'll do it nice and slow to start off. So the rhythm, you probably know, goes ba 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 ba. So that's not quite 8th notes. The ba 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 ba. That second note is more like a 16th note. Not that you need to know that to play the song, you just need to know the feel of it. Ba 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 ba. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start with the C chord, and it's going to go down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so that's the rhythm, and here is what the tabs look like. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Those are the chords. Pretty simple. Just 2 chords back and forth. Just need to get your timing and your finger movement down, and you should have this in no time. But the whole thing just repeats like that. So those are the chords, and now let's move on to the melody. So here's the melody. We're just basically going to be highlighting all those chords that we just did, which means we're just picking notes from the chords for the most part. I'll go over this with you. So in the first measure, we're doing the 3rd string and the 2nd string, and we're only focusing on those 2. So we're going to keep up with the down, up, down, down, and it's going to look like this. And the next measure, we're going to move to the 1st string and the 2nd string. We don't have to move our finger at all. We're keeping that there. So the first measure was down, up, down, down. And now we're going to move up to the 1st and 2nd string and do the same thing. And the 3rd measure, we're going to keep our finger on the 2nd string as we go down, up. And then we're going to pick up the 1st string 3rd fret and do. So it's going to be down, up. Then we're going to move this finger to the 1st fret, down, and then take our finger off. So that goes. And then we're going to go in the 5th measure. We're going to keep that finger there at first. Pick up the 1st string. Then move this finger back, and this is where we're highlighting the G7 chord. So that measure goes. And then the 6th measure, we're going to go So we're going to hit the open E and then pick up the D. So it's going to go open E, D, and finger back on the first fret. And then the 7th measure. So we're picking up the open G and first measure 2nd fret. And then the open E. So again. And then the last measure. So we're going open B to the D. Okay, so let's put that together. 1, 2, 3. That wasn't very clean going slow like that. I'm going to try it again. Okay, there you go. There's Oh My Darling Clementine, chords and melody. Hope you found this useful. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I will try to put out more videos like these. Thank you.